This video is the product of the Functional Cranial Release Research Institute. For difficult neurologic conditions that no one seems to have answers for, visit functionalcranialrelease.com.
My situation is that I've always had excellent hearing, and a month and a half ago I went swimming and came out of the water, and shortly afterwards, within a few hours, I noticed that felt like there was water in my ears, but I had no water, and that's been a month and a half ago, and I was unable to clear my ears, but there was no drainage, there was no pain, there was nothing. Possibly an infection of a virus. I went to some experts, and they couldn't find any cause whatsoever. Fortunately, I met up with Dr. John here, and we applied the FCR method and technique, and voila, I am like, I can hear in my left ear. Some hearing has returned to the right ear, and just everything is so much more vivid and alive, and colors. I fully expect this right ear to continue opening. It just feels like I had so much opening in both nasal passages. And, well, the experience was, it was very brief. Moment there you go, oh my God, but it's over before you even can kind of register it, and it's over. And as soon as the balloon is deflated, there's nothing. There's no aftermath. I just know that this is an answer that I've been looking for, and will continue to indulge in this this beautiful technique. Excellent.
Hi, this is Dr. John. Thanks for joining me. If you or a loved one suffers from difficult neurologic conditions that no one seems to have answers for, send them to functionalcranialrelease.com. You can contact me by phone or email me at askdrjl@gmail.com. And remember, if healing is possible, consider it to be within your reach. Bye for now.
functionalcranialrelease.com